Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got most important settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode between light and dark. We can enable automatic switch for dark mode. Then we can change text size, enable bold text, change brightness level of the screen, and enable True Tone. Next we can enable night shift, schedule it, and change its temperature. Then we can enable auto lock between 30 seconds, 5 minutes or never, enable rise to wake, and change display zoom. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.